together perfectly. Gonna smell like heaven, right?
Superb.
Talk to us.
It's superb. I mean,
superb.
Yes. I mean,
what you said? Superb. What's superb?
Jesus.
What's good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Leon. Top for fashion, my passion, and I'm out that action. Today we have another fragrance video. This time we're talking about layering, and we have an amazing guest again, my beautiful mother,
Marina Weltafa. Action is my passion too.
Action is a passion, right? Today we're gonna talk about layering. See, mom, layering is different, right? Layering is how you make yourself stand out in a different way. You smell unique. You smell like something that people can't just go into the store and say, I want that.
Right.
You smell like your own signature scent.
Right.
And this is the goal that we're chasing when we come to fragrances. We want our own unique signature scent so people can remember us. Being memorable. Walk in the room, Warren was here. I know Tafa was here. Layering gives you the opportunity to do just that. You know, when you go to the bank, they ask for your signature before they give you your money. If we all had the same signature, if you had $1 million in your account and I had $1 and we had the same signature, I can access your wealth. I can access your riches. That's how important it is to have a signature style, signature smell, right? I'm gonna let you try some fragrances and I want you to tell me if they're good layering combinations. Now, an easy way for anybody to be able to layer at home, mom, is by matching up the base of the notes. So a fragrance comes in 3 different tiers. You have the top, mid, and base note. Without the base note, you don't have a fragrance. You have like body spray, aftershave, right? They don't really last long. There's no foundation of it. The base note holds the rest of the fragrance. The base note lasts the longest, right? So the way to layer your fragrance with another fragrance is get your favorite fragrance, go on fragrantica.com and find a fragrance that is similar to your favorite fragrance in the base and layer it together. This is Versace Eros.
Versace or Versace?
Versace. Okay, I'm saying it wrong.
I'm just wanting to know if it's the same thing. Is it Versace?
You're the pronunciation police.
Is it Versace or Versace?
Versace. Versace.
Is it the popular Versace?
Yes. It's regular.
Oh, no, it's Versace, not Versace. Not Va, it's Ve.
That's what I said, Versace?
No, you said Va.
You say Va.
No, you said Ve. Oh, you can read yourself.
Well, rewind. Have you heard the song by the Migos? Let me play the song.
Versace. No, Versace.
Now you say Versace. I didn't say Versace.
No, we'll go back to it.
We'll go back to the video. Pronunciation police might have got caught. Okay, so this is cinnamon and that's vanilla. That's a strong vanilla smell. So we'll have to apply the stronger one first. This is the stronger one.
Oh, okay.
Good. So we're gonna do, this is the cinnamon right here. Armani Stronger With You. This is Armani. Armani Stronger With You intensely.
Armani.
All right, so we're gonna do that first. Boom. Do 2. Layer right behind. Make sure you follow right behind. You add the stronger one first, and then you follow behind. Wait, let it settle now. Then you follow behind with the weaker fragrance. Not necessarily the weaker, but just the less of the strongest. And you let it settle a little bit, let it blend a little bit. This one is gonna blend perfectly well. Like I said, the 2 rule of thumbs that it's checking. It's checking the fact that they both taste good, and it's also checking the fact that they have a similar base. So it's just gonna blend it together perfectly. It's gonna smell like heaven, right?
Superb.
Talk to us.
It's superb. I mean,
superb.
Yes. I mean,
what you said? Superb. What's superb?
Jesus. Are we going now on pronunciations or what?
Yeah, I'm just giving you medicine.
You want me to speak African or you want me to speak American?
I want you to be yourself.
Speak a blend of it?
I just want you to pronounce the right way. Speak what you want to speak. Speak what you want to speak.
You know, it's very common for Africans to say Jesus. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I was at work the other day and something happened. And one of the white ladies said, Jesus! And I'm like, who is this? I said, this one, she must be watching a lot of African stuff. But yeah, trust me, it really smells. The blend is like we say,
cinnamon,
it smells, it tastes good.
Yes.
Anytime, any day. Like I said, people just use that for the aroma in their homes, especially when they have guests.
Yes.
They use cinnamon, which is good.
Vanilla too.
And
a lot of people use vanilla in their homes.
Vanilla at any given time, whether it's for whatever.
That's the most popular smell, vanilla.
The most popular is vanilla. I love vanilla in every form, shape, and size. Vanilla, I'll go for it.
Yeah.
So if you blend the two, there's no way it's not gonna come out good. There's
What
no
is
way.
so superb?
So
Give us
superb means that it is superb. It means it's excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah.
That is.
And this is so masculine. Any man who has this on, trust me, you attract a lot of women.
That's all I'm trying to tell you guys. That's all I'm trying to put you guys
so
in position.
masculine.
That is the way to go. You gotta layer your fragrances. I'm not saying to copy exactly that. Just use that rule of thumb that I just showed you guys. We just showed you guys. Tastes good and base notes. You can do one or you can do both. Those luckily happen to cover both. So we hit 2 out of 3. 2 birds, 1 stone, right? That one you like, right? What would you get that one, Mom? What would you get that 1 out of 10?
I'll give it a 10.
10 out of 10.
10.
10 out of 10 base layer, right?
10 out of 10.
Let's give her another one. Let's see what you think about this one. This one right here, it's also smell good and taste good. You have a coconut and you have vanilla.
Coconut too. I mean, anybody who knows coconut, I mean, it's very common. The coconut has, especially when you do coconut rice, the smell is just so appealing all the time that you can finish a whole bowl without even realizing it.
Yeah.
So coconut tastes good. And the other one is...
It's peach. So this one is coconut vanilla and this one is peach.
And peach too, you know. Peach is always good.
So you can kind of eat those. You can,
peaches.
Like a tropical feeling, but the base notes are also matching with this one too, right? They have similar bases. I'm gonna put them on the screen so you guys can see that I'm not just talking. It's actually a method to this. There's a method to this madness of layering. All right, so we're gonna try it again and see how she likes this.
So which one is the stronger one?
The stronger one is this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with this one. We're spray on this hand?
Yeah, no, this is the one we used.
Okay. We'll follow up. Shake it a little bit. Okay, so this is a dupe to Tom Ford's Bitter Peach. This is Miss Nalamba Bright Peach. All right, and this is Coach Fermin, Coach Platinum, right? Both scents that are completely different. They come from different fragrance houses, but because of that base note, you give them an opportunity to be able to just become one.
See, this is the rule of thumbs. I just learned something tonight. When it tastes good, it smells good.
Yeah.
There's no dispute about that, because anybody who loves peaches, just try this. Mix the peach and the
coconut, vanilla.
Mix the peach and the coconut. Superb again.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 10, honestly.
10, yeah.
But you know, this one comes out. You know how peaches, even from the colors, they look very much Halloween.
Yeah.
They look stronger. They look brighter. Yeah. So if you want something that comes out outstanding, do the peach and the coconut.
Yeah.
But if you want something milder, do the Versace and the
something more closer.
Yeah. But if you want something that is striking, like blows everybody,
you walk in the room. People know you've
do the peach.
Okay.
When you do the coconut and the peach, it brings it out.
Yeah, it brings it out. Projection beast.
It really projects it. And if you love peaches, then there's no way you won't love this.
You won't love that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a beautiful blend. Could you see yourself wearing that one though? Or is it still too masculine?
It's too well. It's still masculine.
It's still masculine.
I'll give it to the men.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what this is for actually. So ladies, you can apply this too, right? You can do this for your fragrances too.
I'm gonna try Trésor Lancôme and something else.
Yeah.
And see if it's gonna blend that way.
Okay. Take Trésor Lancôme to the next level. You don't have to let go of it. No? You could just add to it.
I'm actually planning to do my own. So it's a blend of some of this that I'm gonna create mine. So watch out for my own.
Noel
and Noel. You have the masculine Noelle. Oh, sorry, I mixed it up. The masculine is Noel and the feminine is Noelle. So you're gonna have Noel and Noel. Mine is coming out shortly, so
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Lock in with us.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next?
Let me give you another one. It's a little bit more on the masculine range, but listen, the blend is just immaculate. Now, these two fragrances, they're from different families. Individually, you would never be able to guess that they go together, but because of that base note, we found a way on how to produce intricate, beautiful smells, signature smells. This one is a popular smell on its own. It smells good. It carries weight. People love it, right? It's Sauvage.
Sauvage.
Dior Sauvage.
Sauvage.
No, be Sauvage, not Sauvage.
This is sauvage.
So yeah, Sauvage.
Sauvage means wild. That's the meaning of sauvage.
Not Sauvage. Dior
How
Sauvage.
can you pronounce S-A-U to be sa?
Sauvage.
Sa is just S-A.
Wait, what did you say?
Sauvage.
Say it in the mic.
Sauvage.
Hey,
This is sauvage. Sauvage means wild.
you really said that in the mic.
Yeah, it's French.
Sauvage.
Sauvage is French.
Sauvage.
Okay, sauvage.
Oh, it's Sauvage. Okay, let's go Sauvage.
Dior, first of all, is French.
Dior French.
No, Dior is French perfume, right?
Oh,
Isn't
yes,
it?
yes.
Dior is French perfume. So Dior is French, and when it says sauvage, it means wild, which is the meaning of that word. So you cannot tell me it's savage. It's
Okay.
not. It's not telling me that it's Versace.
Thank you,
It's
pronunciation police.
Versace is sauvage.
The pronunciation police. Thank God we have a French speaker in the house, so it can help us with that. Dior Sauvage Elixir. This is the elixir,
Dior
right?
sauvage.
And then we have Tom Ford Umbre Leather.
I don't know about Tom Ford though.
Tom Ford is
I don't know the smell of Tom Ford,
It's
but
a
I know
white-
about the Dior sauvage.
that's a white woman special. Tom Ford.
I don't know about Tom Ford.
A lot of white women love.
So which one is stronger?
Oh, Dior. By
Oh,
far.
okay. All right. I thought as much.
Attends. Shake. Shake that one well, because this one is strong. This one is one of those ones that
Both
like,
of them, you mean?
Yeah, both of them. This one is one of those ones that like if you're in like a sports car, like a Lamborghini or Ferrari, this is what the inside will smell like. It smells like a luxury sports car, a foreign luxury sports car. The leather, the spiciness, the vanilla, the blend is heavenly. You don't expect them to go together, but for some reason, they come together and they produce.
This actually smells like the leather of a new car. That's how it smells, the blend.
That's what I'm saying.
And this is still masculine.
That's what they are. That's
Yeah.
what they're.
It's not anything a woman should use.
You walk by a woman and she's like, whoa, you got a new car. He drives a nice car. She's immediately gonna think you drive like a Ferrari or maybe like a AMG.
This blending is perfect. I think that's what I'm going in for.
Start layering, right?
Layering them.
That's how you get addicted. Like you start with the fragrances, then you like, man, I want to create
I think
something.
this is
new.
what I'm gonna go
And
in
you
for.
start
Like
layering.
layering them, because layering is it gives you a unique smell.
Yep, but yeah, so those are the layer techniques right there, guys. Like I told you,
This
you
is
know,
the best technique so far.
Yeah.
I didn't know about this. I didn't even know about the formula, which is taste good, smell good.
yes,
If you use that specific formula, you're never gonna go wrong.
you're never gonna go wrong.
You're never gonna go wrong. So whenever you want to choose them, look for something that tastes good and you will smell good immediately.
Yes,
Layer your perfumes, layer your fragrances,
Yeah.
and you're gonna come out perfect and superb.
I give my most compliments when I layer my fragrances. I
Yes.
give my most people coming up to me saying, what do you have on? When I layer my fragrances, it just takes me to a different level. Thank you guys for tuning to the channel. My name is Noah Tafa.
And remember, my name is Maureen Tafa, and action is my passion too.